Hello, Asta here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a new product review. It's the brand new makeup brand to the market, the Cash Beauty by Kaylit makeup artist. So if you don't know who Kaylit is, she's the most followed beauty influencer here in Ireland and internationally. She has over 2 million followers on TikTok, over 500 followers on Instagram and nearly 200,000 here on YouTube, so maybe you are familiar with her. She's Kaylit Cashel and she's 24 years old. She's a makeup artist and recently she released her new The Secret Treasure collection and I got a few bits. So I got her eyeshadow palette and I also got one of her lip kits. She did release 3 lip kits, 1 eyeshadow palette and lashes, and the minute I seen this palette I knew I have similar colors in my kit and in my drawers of other brands, but I just really wanted to try it. So it comes in this beautiful packaging. There's a little paper slip you can take off and then there is the actual palette. Here are the eyeshadows. They're absolutely beautiful. There's 9 shades in it. So there's 3 shimmers and 6 mattes. As you can see, it's very like autumny, grungy. You can do everyday makeup looks with it. You can do like a dark smoky eyes. Like, it's very versatile palette. That's why I was like, I want to try it, I want to get it, I want to see how the quality is like. So this palette is €29.95 on Cash Beauty website, and I think it's quite a good value because look at the size of these eyeshadows. They are huge. And then she released 3 lip kits. I got the one in color True Nude because I'm obsessed with nude colors, and this is how it looks inside. So you get your lip liner and you get your lipstick. So the lip liner that I got, it's a nice kind of nudie color, so creamy. It goes on like butter. It's so beautiful. And then the lipstick. Let's talk about packaging. Packaging feels amazing. It's quite heavy and it has this kind of magnet on top, which is so satisfying. You can pop that lid back on and it just sticks. So this is the packaging. I obviously used that lipstick today, and here is the color of True Nude. It's absolutely gorgeous. I didn't get any lashes because honestly I have so many lashes from different brands. I got some gifted and I don't need any more. So today it's the first time I actually tried this eyeshadow palette and lipstick, and this is the makeup look I came up with. I have a little tutorial on it if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, and that's coming next. finished look. I absolutely loved playing with this eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadows are so creamy and the actual pigments are like a dream. You don't even need to wet your brush to get the most of the intensity of the shimmers. Like, I've used my finger to apply it and I'm pretty sure it worked amazing with the brush as well. Like, I'm just quality wise, it's really good palette. Well done, Kaled. It's just amazing. I can definitely see myself using this palette not only for everyday but for my clients as well, because it has these normal warm tone browns, which is just very versatile, very universal and flattering on so many different eye shapes and eye colors, and in general just beautiful colors. If you're looking for a very nice affordable your everyday or autumn brown eyeshadows, this is definitely a palette to try. It's only 30 euro. It's not that much, but you get a good size 9 eyeshadows. Also love the lip liner. It's very creamy. It's so easy to apply, and the lipstick is so nice, so comfortable on the lips, and just goes on like a butter as well. So thumbs up from me to this brand. So delighted I did try it. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try this brand, or if you tried it, what do you think of it? As always, thank you so much for watching, and welcome to my new subscribers. I'm so happy you joined my little channel, and I really appreciate you all and taking time to watch my videos. And as always, I'm going to see you next week.